I build technologies that doesn't just run the systems, but it saves millions, scales fast and make the businesses more human. Hello everyone, I am Sushma with over a decade of experience in building the systems that are more scalable across different industries. I specialize in turning up the technology into measurable business outcome. Today I want to talk about how technology can create real business impact when we design it with scale, speed and people in mind. When I started working with the large scale enterprise applications, I observed a pattern that most of the systems work stronger on paper but weaker in reality. They crash under load, frustrates the team and the customers. This is where I started focusing on building the systems that aren't just technically sound but also scalable and business driven. Over the years, I have seen that choosing the right design can create most of the business impacts with cutting the downtime, saving millions and also improving the customer trust. Earlier this year, in the month of April, we have seen that how systems can become more fragile when the India's most trusted payment platform UPI has went down. The success rate dropped by 50% and millions of transactions were failed and denied. This is not because of the hackers. This is because the system couldn't handle the unexpected overloads. This is exactly where I try to focus on the edge cases. In one of the project, I handled 10,000 requests per millisecond with 99.95% uptime and reducing the latency by 40%. In another project, I have streamlined the ticket resolution process with AI-driven insights, cutting the backlog by 30%, saving 1.5 million per annum, and also boosting the team productivity by 20%. And also in another project, cutting down the cloud cost optimizations is not just a technical win, but it went as a boardroom discussion where I was able to cut down the costs of unused resources and which saved 1.2 million per annum, and right sizing the workloads properly has saved 30% of the annual income, and this is $3 million per annum. What sets me apart is that I don't just consider technology as the engineering. I try to connect the technology directly with the business outcome, and I also focus on how the technology can create stronger businesses and the people relying on it. My message is simple, that technology must always stay human, making the people free from recurring problems, improving the team's confidence, and making the businesses more stronger. If you want to work faster, save smarter, and build the systems that last long, connect with the leaders and the experts who can turn the technology into the measurable business outcomes. This is the future where I believe in, and this is where I am building every day. Thank you.